Welcome to Beyond Basics with Facts. Today, we're exploring everyday objects invented by accident. From snacks to household items, these happy accidents changed our lives. So, let's dive into 10 everyday objects you probably didn't know were invented by mistake. Our first accidental invention is the sticky note, a small but mighty tool found in homes and offices worldwide. These colorful pieces of paper have become indispensable in our daily lives, helping us remember important tasks, jot down quick notes, and even brainstorm ideas. The story of the sticky note begins in the 1960s at the 3M laboratories. Chemist Spencer Silver was on a mission to create a super-strong adhesive for the aerospace industry. However, instead of a powerful adhesive, he ended up with a weak, pressure-sensitive adhesive that could stick to surfaces but be easily removed without leaving any residue. Initially, this invention was met with skepticism. It seemed like a failure because it didn't meet the original goal. Many thought it was useless and couldn't see its potential. Fast forward a few years and we meet Arthur Fry, a fellow 3M scientist. Fry was frustrated with his bookmarks constantly falling out of his hymn book during choir practice. Remembering Silver's unique adhesive, Fry had a light bulb moment. He applied the adhesive to small pieces of paper, creating temporary bookmarks that stayed in place but could be easily repositioned. This simple yet ingenious idea led to the birth of the sticky note. It wasn't long before people realized its potential for organizing thoughts, tasks, and ideas in a flexible and convenient way. Today, sticky notes are a staple in offices, schools, and homes around the world. They have revolutionized the way we capture and share information, proving that sometimes the best innovations come from unexpected places. This story of the sticky note is a testament to the power of creativity and perseverance. It reminds us that even when things don't go as planned, there can be hidden opportunities waiting to be discovered. So next time you jot down a reminder or brainstorm an idea on a sticky note, remember the journey of this humble invention. It's a perfect example of how innovation can emerge from the most unexpected places. And who knows, maybe your next great idea is just a sticky note away. Next, we head to the kitchen, a place where culinary magic happens every day. But did you know that one of the most revolutionary kitchen appliances, the microwave oven, was born from radar technology developed during World War II? In the 1940s, engineer Percy Spencer was working with magnetrons, which are the power sources for radar systems. These devices were crucial for the war effort, helping to detect enemy aircraft and ships. One day, while working in the lab, Spencer noticed something unusual. A chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. This unexpected event piqued his curiosity. Intrigued by this phenomenon, he decided to conduct further experiments. He placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and to his amazement, they started to pop. This confirmed that the microwaves emitted by the magnetron were responsible for the heating effect. Spencer realized that these microwaves could be harnessed for cooking food quickly and efficiently. This accidental discovery led to the development of the microwave oven, a device that would go on to revolutionize cooking in homes and restaurants around the world. A simple observation turned into a groundbreaking invention, changing the way we prepare and enjoy our meals. From melting a chocolate bar to popping popcorn, Percy Spencer's curiosity and ingenuity gave us one of the most convenient kitchen appliances ever created. Now, we venture into culinary delights where a chef's frustration birthed the potato chip. In 1853, Chef George Crumb in Saratoga Springs, New York, faced a picky customer demanding thinner, crispier fries. Annoyed, Crumb sliced the potatoes paper thin, fried them to a crisp, and added extra salt. To his surprise, the customer loved them. Word spread, and Saratoga chips became a local delicacy. A moment of defiance turned into a beloved snack. Our next stop is safety glass, a groundbreaking innovation in materials science. In 1903, French chemist Edouard Benedictus accidentally knocked a flask coated with cellulose nitrate to the floor. To his surprise, it didn't shatter. The glass had cracked but remained intact, held together by the thin layer of cellulose nitrate. This observation sparked the idea of safety glass that could resist shattering upon impact. Benedictus dedicated himself to perfecting laminated safety glass. This innovation has saved countless lives in accidents. A simple accident led to a life-saving discovery. Our journey now takes us to medicine, where a chance discovery revolutionized healthcare: penicillin. In 1928, Scottish bacteriologist Alexander Fleming noticed a mold contaminating one of his petri dishes. The mold inhibited the growth of Staphylococcus bacteria. Intrigued, Fleming identified the mold as Penicillium notatum. He theorized it produced a substance toxic to the bacteria. This accidental discovery led to the development of penicillin, the world's first antibiotic. A simple observation changed the course of medicine. Next, we explore how a medicinal tonic became a global beverage: Coca-Cola. In 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton was developing a cure for headaches. His concoction included coca leaves and cola nuts, mixed with sugar and water. A soda fountain clerk accidentally mixed the syrup with carbonated water. The result was a refreshing drink that quickly gained popularity. What began as a headache remedy became Coca-Cola, a global phenomenon. A simple mix-up created an iconic drink. Our journey now takes us to the Swiss Alps, where nature inspired Velcro. In 1941, Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral noticed burrs clinging to his clothes and his dog's fur. Examining them under a microscope, he discovered tiny hooks that latched onto fabric loops. This inspired him to create a two-part fastening system mimicking the burr's mechanism. He named it Velcro, from the French words velours, velvet, and crochet, hook. Velcro became a versatile alternative to buttons and zippers. Nature's design led to a revolutionary fastening system. Our next stop is the invention of Teflon, the non-stick coating. In 1938, chemist Roy Plunkett was developing a new refrigerant. Experimenting with tetrafluoroethylene gas, he noticed a cylinder seemed empty. Inside, he found a waxy white substance. Tests revealed it was incredibly slippery, heat-resistant, and chemically inert. DuPont trademarked it as Teflon, ideal for non-stick cookware. Teflon-coated pans became a kitchen staple. A serendipitous discovery revolutionized cooking. Our journey now takes us to World War II, where superglue was born. During this tumultuous period, innovation was driven by necessity, and many groundbreaking discoveries were made. In 1942, Dr. Harry Coover was developing a clear plastic for gun sights. His goal was to create a material that could withstand the rigors of war and provide soldiers with a reliable tool for aiming their weapons. Experimenting with cyanoacrylates, he found they bonded well to smooth surfaces. This unexpected discovery was initially seen as a hindrance, as the adhesive properties were too strong for the intended application. Initially dismissed as a nuisance, Coover later realized their potential as a strong adhesive. He saw beyond the immediate problem and envisioned a future where this powerful bonding agent could be used in various fields. This led to the development of superglue. The adhesive's ability to bond almost instantly and with great strength made it a revolutionary product. It quickly became a household name for its versatility and bonding power. From mending broken ceramics to sealing cuts in emergency situations, its applications seemed endless. From fixing toys to repairing furniture, superglue is indispensable. Its quick-drying formula and strong hold make it a go-to solution for minor repairs and creative projects alike. A quest for weaponry led to a household staple. What began as a military innovation has now become an essential tool in homes around the world, proving that sometimes the most unexpected discoveries can have the most profound impact on our daily lives. Our final stop is the Slinky, a timeless toy. In 1943, naval engineer Richard James was developing a spring to stabilize ship instruments. He accidentally knocked a spring off a shelf. It walked down a stack of books and onto the floor. Intrigued, James and his wife refined the design and named it Slinky. The Slinky debuted in 1945 and became an iconic toy. A simple accident brought joy to generations. And there you have it, 10 everyday objects created by accident. These stories remind us that innovation can strike at any moment. If you enjoyed learning about these inventions, subscribe to Beyond Basics with Facts for more fascinating stories. Who knows? The next big invention might just be another lucky accident.